Question 30 and question 31. So I picked these two to go over with you. Two things to pay attention to here is the law of indices. So this law says a to the m raised to the n is a to the m times n. And if we are to extend this to something with two components inside the bracket, you need to treat them separately and deal with the multiplication of p. So you distribute the p to each of the power, and we have to do the same even if it is a number. And so let's say this is 8 mnb to the n to the p, then it's h to the p, a to the mp, and b to the mp. Now, some of you might thought, oh, this is to the power of half, then I just need to square root it. Well, this is true. So we can actually try two different ways. Now, let me try the first one is using this law first, okay? So I'm distribute the power into each of them. So we have, this is the original question. Then we have 36 to the power of half, a 2 times half, and then b to the 16 times half. So this is square root of 36, which is 6. This one, 2 times a half is 1. So this turns into a to the power of 1. And the last one, 2 into 16 is 8. So this is b to the power of 8. So 6, a to the 1, b to the 8. If you prefer to look at it as like, why can't I take the square root of the whole expression? You can go that route too, as long as you apply the rule correctly. So you can take the whole square root of this. Then again, you just need to think for each of them, what is the square root of 36, square root of a square, and square root of b to the 16. You get 6ab to the 8 as well. Now I'm gonna let you, no, this one is different. This one, not different, but this one, the power is 3 over 2. If I change this question to 9a to the 4, b to the 10, and just do half. Now, most of you can do it right away because we just had the above example. Now, what does that 3 means? That means whatever result that we have gotten from taking the square root of this expression, we have to cube everything. All right. So if we do this, right? So 9a to the 4, b to the 10, to the power of 3 over 2. What we can do is take the square root of the whole expression and then raise it all to the power of 3. So think square root of 9 is a 3. Square root of a to the 4 is a square. Square root of b to the 10 is b to the 5. Then we have 3a squared b to the 5. Oops. And then cube it all. We have, now, we talked about how we need to distribute the power to each of them by multiplying. So 3 to the 3, a to the 2 times 3, b to the 5 times 3. So 27, a to the 6, b to the 15. And this is the correct answer. Mm.